Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So I want you to update on a very important thing that I'm planning to visit Bangalore this weekend. That is on September 18th. And if you are free, feel free to visit this place called Lal Bagh. And about the time, I'll just update it on my Telegram channel or on my Instagram channel. So it's confirmed that I'm coming to Bangalore this weekend. It is not exclusively for JFT members. Anyone can come and meet me, and this is like my first public appearance. So yeah, feel free to come. And about the time, I'll just update it on my Telegram channel. So probably around noon or something, we'll plan. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. Recently, I took up a trade in Ultratech cement option calls, and I made a profit of around 10 lakhs. The capital that I used is 32 lakhs. So the roughly around 30 to 32%. So I used different calls, strike prices. One is 7,000 and another one is 6,800 CE. I'll just place the order books here, the profit here, so that you can refer. So let me just explain you the entry, exit, and the stop loss, and why I particularly chose this strike price for this Ultratech cement. Hello guys, so this is the Ultratech cement pattern. As you can see here that the Ultratech cement is in a very good momentum, and the reason why I was particularly interested in this breakout is because previously when there was a 1 hour breakout away from this, it was a very good move, right? Some correction and then phenomenal rocket move, and then again a decent up move, and then a correction, a rocket move. So I thought, okay, let me make use of this and make money. Yeah, so the total profit is around 2 lakhs out of 2 strikes. So the first strike that I chose was 6,800. I bought it around this area when there was a breakout. Okay, so let me go to the chart. So this is 6,800 calls, and I started buying around 173 175 area. Okay, which would be, so 173 area is when I bought it. Okay, which is around this area. This is when so I do not trade based on option chart, it is based on the spot chart. It is because the Ultratech cement broke out of this area, I bought it. Okay, so as far as a stop loss is concerned, it is more in option buying. It's not like a cash market trading where we put stop loss based on a rule that below this candle goes, I'll put my I'll exit or something like that, which we cannot do that in options because of a lot of reasons. Obviously the decay reasons, and obviously even a small, especially in option buying, if you are no matter what strikes, forget about OTM strikes, even if it is ITM or ATM, especially ATM, even if it consolidates a little bit, the drawdown will be huge. So the stop loss part, it is better to keep for example, let's say you are aiming for 8 lakh rupees profit. What you can do is you can put a stop loss like 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, or see, in option buying 1:1 is also completely fine as long as your accuracy is more than 70-80%. Okay, which I would not suggest for everyone. It is always better to go for, because not everyone has an accuracy like me, but I'm not trying to say like only I can do it, but what I'm trying to say is, if you have enough experience, 1:1.5 or 1:1.25 is also great risk reward ratio when it comes to option buying. Because sometimes if you hold for 1:2 or 1:3, what will happen is the profits will vanish. It has happened to me also recently, like in some of the trade, Bajaj FinServ, I was in a profit of 20 lakhs in that one particular trade, but I thought I would make more money, and I was just waiting, and then I had to close with 7 lakhs profit. So almost I lost like 13 lakhs profit, because I was very stringent about the risk reward ratio in option buying. So there is a learning for me as well. Like every trade is a learning, right? For everyone, no one is going to stop learning in stock market. So so coming back to this trade, I entered at 173, which is this area, and the next day I closed it. This 6,800 calls around 17, sorry, not 1, let me check, guys. 246, okay, 246, 249, 262, around that range, which would be this one, okay. After this, so this is where I entered and this is where I closed it, okay. And immediately after 1 hour, I bought 7,000 calls, which is slightly OTM, okay. So if you look at it, when I bought it, the Ultratech cement was around 6,900, okay, and this is where I bought it. This is where I closed 6,800 calls, and this is exactly where I bought 7,000 calls. It's not very far. I'm not buying 7,200 OTMs or 400 or 100. 7,000 is the, it's a slight OTM call, you could say. And what happened? Let me go to the 7,000 calls, and this I started buying at 165, and let me check. So I started buying here at 165 range, 167, and sorry guys, just a moment. 224, 260, and 210, 209. I sold everything around this area, almost around the top, this area, okay, not the very top. The very top would be 225 or something. I closed it around this area, and the reason is I was in a good 10 lakh rupees profit, combining both both the call option strikes. So out of a 1 hour breakout pattern, if I'm making 10 lakhs, I was like, okay, let me close it and forget and move on with the next trade. That is what my thinking. And you could say that I was risking around 2 to 3 lakhs in this trade on an average. And I mean, it depends, guys. So for example, it could also extend up to 3 to 3.5 lakhs. I don't know, because let's say it breaks out like this and it is taking a consolidation. Even during the consolidation, what will happen is your calls will decay, correct? And yeah, that is one of the reason why playing with option is not like the delivery trades that you take. It is quite, you have to consider a lot of things, when to close, or should I hold, or there are a lot of things. So basically, if you are not good at price action, don't ever think of doing options. If you have not been in trading for the last if you have not been trading for 2-3 years, please do not indulge in options. That is what I suggest for everyone that I associate with, like my friends or anyone who I know. I suggest them to trade only in cash market, because these profits may inspire you. So basically, I'm making this consistency after 5 years of experience, so you have to consider that as well. So yeah, that would be all, guys. I hope you learned something out of this video. And yeah, we did post this chart in our community. Yeah, so this is exactly when I posted after the breakout, and a few did make money, 4,000, 2,000, 26,000, and yeah, this is my call price. I think I closed it around 4 lakh in this strike price after posting it. And yeah, many made money, very good money. And if you want to be a part of this community, feel free to join. We trade stocks like this. We trade a lot of stocks like this. So basically, you will learn and get to know about the price action and everything only if you learn it practically. So that is why I've created this JFT community, where we trade and make money, and simultaneously you learn and earn, right? So go to my website justfortraders.in if you are interested. And my next video is going to be a loss video. Guess which stock It is an auto sector, and no, it's not Hero Motocorp. Some might say that it's Hero Motocorp. It's not. You let me know in the comment section, and I lost a good sum of no, I'll keep that as a secret. Like you will know in the next video. So yeah, see you soon again with another video. Thank you so much.